How to add cleaning fee on Booking.com. Log into the extranet at admin.booking.com, and once you're logged in, you will see the property listed. To add the cleaning fee, go to Property tab, and from the drop-down menu, click on Policies option, that is between the Photos and Facilities and Services option. Tap on it. In this page, scroll all the way down until you find the Additional Fees option. If you haven't accessed this section before, it will look like this. Now click on Edit. By default, you will need to set the option to Yes to enable the additional fee option, but for now we are focusing on the cleaning fee. The next question is whether the fee is part of the room or apartment rent. If you select yes, the cleaning fee will be included in the total price shown to the guest, providing them with the clarity that they have paid for cleaning as a part of their nightly rate. This option may be more common for the hotels than individual hosts, but you can choose what works best for you. Next, you need to select the payment type as well. You have three different options, that is charge per stay, charge per night, or charge a percentage. The percentage option is interesting because if you set a percentage, guests will be charged that percentage of their total nightly price for the entire stay. For example, if your nightly rate is $500 and the guest stays for 2 nights, the total would be $1,000. A 10% cleaning fee would then be $100. The most common option is to charge a flat fee per stay. Enter the amount you want to charge and then click on Save, that is highlighted in blue color. From now on, any guest who books your property will see this cleaning fee displayed separately while reviewing the total price. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.